Hello everybody, I am currently kneeling down on a stand-up paddleboard in the Snowdonia National Park. The reason I'm kneeling down on it is because I can't actually stand up paddleboard yet. I've had 2 lessons so far. I did manage to stand up for a few seconds at the back end of November. It is now April and I've not paddled since then. So this year I'm going to be working with a really amazing charity called Harry's Pals. I'm organising a paddleboard marathon on a local lake. Dates and locations and everything will be confirmed as we move further into the year. It's currently April. We're looking at the event being around the mid-September time. Between now and then, I've got to somehow learn how to stand up paddleboard, organise the event and be able to endure 26 miles in one day on one. I've got an amazing instructor that's done my first lessons called Debbie, who's on board, and she's going to be supporting me through the journey as well as providing safety and helping organise the event and everything. I will drop a link to her website in the description below, so if anybody wants to take any lessons this year and join me on the journey, come and have a paddle with me in September, take part in the event, whatever, you can look Debbie up, and she's an absolutely brilliant coach. If she can get me going, then she can get anybody going. So yeah, there'll also be a link to the charity and a QR code to donate in latter videos, and I'll put videos of my current progress on throughout the year. Like I say, all of the videos will have the QR code to donate to this amazing charity, and what they basically do is they support parents whose children have had a life-limiting or life-changing diagnosis. They're a small charity trying to get noticed, trying to get out there, and I've offered to do what I can to help them. Have another stand-up practice. So over the next 6 months or so, I'm going to be out most weekends, learning how to sup, training, trying to pull off this 26-mile marathon. If anybody would like to join me for a paddle one day, give us a shout, and stay tuned for future videos where we'll follow my journey and see if I can pull this off. Thanks for watching, bye.